Hey everybody, this is Jerome with Common Sense Consulting LLC, back with Tax Prep Made Simple. This is episode 4. It's called the DIY route, filing your own taxes. So today we're going to talk about filing your own taxes. Um, it can be a cost-effective option. So we're going to explore some of the tools and steps you'll need to do it right. So the first thing you need to do is choose the right tax software. Um, Now there's just three I'm just gonna briefly talk about. First one is TurboTax. That one's kind of great for beginners. It's straightforward. They do give you a lot of examples and help you to get through that. So if you're a beginner, TurboTax might be good for you. The second one is H&R Block. They're also pretty good. I've used them several times in the past. Um, but they also have a strong in-person support. So, you can go do it online, but you can also go into some of their local office branches. Um, so those are two. And then there's Free Tax USA. It's affordable, it's reliable for some people, it'll actually be free. I think the federal is free, state is like maybe, I don't know, less than 20 bucks. Um, but look into that. Those are three options that you can look into. There's others out there that you can use, but those are just the three that I know about and have looked into. Um, Next thing is you need to the steps to actually file your taxes. You need to do your preparation. If you haven't seen my first video, look into that. That'll give you some ideas on how to prep for tax season. Um, but first thing you need to do is gather all your necessary documents, all your W 2s, 1099s, receipts. Uh, if you have dependents, make sure you have all their information readily available. Um, Two is to choose what software you want to use. Um, the IRS, it's basically pushing for everybody to do the e-file situation, but certain issues will come up where you'll actually have to file a paper return. Some of that could be like if you're trying to claim a dependent, but somebody else has claimed them. So when you go to e-file, your return may get rejected because of that social security number has already been used. So in a case like that, you would actually have to fill out a paper return. Also, if you're amending a return, you may have to do that via paper. Just depends on the situation and circumstance. So, um, like I said, choose the right software or choose if your situation will require you to fill out paper return. Also, when you finish doing your return, make sure you review it before you submit it. Go over everything, make sure you have all the right uh, social security numbers, make sure all your credits are entered correctly, all your figures have been calculated properly, and then submit your return. So it's not a whole lot involved in it. A lot of it is straightforward. But I know a lot of people get a little intimidated, at this time of year, tax season. So if you don't want to fill out your own taxes, it's too much for you, or you just don't want to be bothered, you don't want to have to deal with the stress, reach out to me. There's links in the description. You can send me leave a comment. I'll reach out to you because I check the comments. Um, or you can find me on social media and DM me, and I'll get back to you. So uh, just to reiterate, choose the right software. Make sure you have all the necessary documents. You know, do a good review before you submit it. Make sure all your information is correct. Your social security numbers, all your figures, are in order. You know, uh, DIY taxes don't have to be scary. I have a DIY tax filing guide. I'll put that link in the description below. You can click on that, look at it, and make sure you have everything that you need. Um, so that's it for today. This, just a little short one for today. Like I said, if you need any help, if there's any other topics that you might want me to cover or go deeper into detail about, just leave a comment below and I'll get that out to you. All right. You guys have a great day.